Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am from Group One, and and now I want to make video presentation about ergonomic aspect of human and computer interaction. So there is a member of Group One. For the first is Bintang Alfizar as me, and the second Rehan Aditya, Ananda Rahman Hakim, Muhammad Habli, Farid Nugraha Wijaya, Ragil Hidayat, and the last is Muhammad Faiz Amanullah. So first is we are understanding ergonomics aspect in human interaction in human computer interaction. Ergonomic is a science that studies the interaction between humans and other elements in a system, as well as a profession that practice theories, principle, data, and methods in design to optimize system to suit human needs, weaknesses, and skills. So this is a point of subject that will be explained now. First is understanding ergonomic aspect. Second is principle in ergonomic aspect. Third is advantage and disadvantage of ergonomic aspect. Fourth is lighting. Fifth is temperature and air quality. Six is sound disturbance. Seven, health and safety for workers. And the last is application model. Next is principle of ergonomic aspect. So the principle of ergonomic aspect have two. First is physical and the second is cognitive. I will explain the physical principle. Physical principle uh, physical principle is concerned with the anatomical, anthropometric, psychological, and biomechanical characteristic of human related to physical activity. Usually, this aspect gets the most attention in the work environment. Work ergonomics seeks to adapt working environmental condition and job demands to workers' ability. So the physical principle is make everything within easy reach, work with the appropriate height, work with appropriate posture, reduce exercise energy expenditure, and minimize fatigue.
I want to explain about cognitive principle. Before I want to introduce myself, my name is Rehan Aditya. So, the cognitive principle, if physical ergonomics concentrate on preventing injuries through evaluating the work environment from posture to repetitive movement. Cognitive ergonomic is mainly associated with brain function. In this context, it relates to error analysis, human machine interaction, mental workload, decision making, pressure in the workplace, and running as it relates to human system design. So, this is the main of the point of cognitive principle. The first is standardization, and second is linking APSI and perception. The third is facilitate the exposure of information. Next, present information at the right level in detail. And next, provide a clear picture. And next, create correct patterns and clear grouping of data. And next is provide quick feedback.
My name is Ragil Hidayat. I will explain about lightning and lightning source. Lightning. 1. Avoid the user from bright light directly from its reflection. 2. Avoid direct light or reflection that direct hit the display screen. 3. Obtain a balance between the brightness of the display screen and the brightness of the lightning in front of the user. 4. Provides confidence that there is transparent lightning for work that does not use the display screen. Lightning source. 1. Direct light come from the sun and light direct brick through the workroom through the window. 2. Indirect light. Reflect by wall or floor platform partition. materials surrounding monitor, table surface, and clothing used by operator. 3. Excessive heat from computer temperature. To overcome this, a layout is needed that can damp and stabilize light and comfortable room temperature to maintain the durability of equipment.
Hello, my name is Fatnagara Wijaya. I'm gonna explain about temperature and air quality. Using a computer can generate additional heat caused by the computer being on for a long time. Change in temperature and air quality that occur need to be considered because they can affect a person's performance at work. Uh, Temperature and air quality issue can be addressed in various ways, such as number one, using a fan or air conditioner. And number two, use an air purifier in the room to keep the air clean. Next is sun disturbance. The sun environment has a very important influence and concentration, stress level, and other aspect of person performance. Steady and not excessive sound can create a comfortable atmosphere, but excessive sound or noise can make you feel uncomfortable or stressed. Sound can be a distraction because it changes in loudness and high and low frequency in very frequently. Voice disorder can be overcome in a various ways such as number one is you can use earplugs. Number two, make a soundproof room using sound absorbers on the wall so that noise from outside cannot be heard inside. And number three is using a headset to block outside noise and listen to music to relax while working.
Hello, my name is Ananda Ramanakim. The next is the advantage of implementing ergonomics. Number one is increase productivity. And then activities are better because of the convenience factor of service in doing work. And number three is better work result because the operated system is more familiar. And the last is efficiency and effectiveness in system operation. And then the ergonomics application complaints. The number one is visual fatigue, eye irritation during vision, soreness in the back and waist, and the last is soreness in the shoulders and hands.
My name is Muhammad Faisal Manula, and now I will explain about health and safety for the workers. Occupational safety and healthy are aspects that must be considered first every time doing any activity, including when working on a computer. In terms of health, research has stated that computer user can suffer from headaches, muscle and bone pain, wrist, neck, or legs and back. The role of ergonomic in work safety. First thing is as an active measure to prevent accident and employee health problems. Number two is the implementation process should be based on the best scientific knowledge and observation. Number three is cooperation with employees and related department. Number four is basically flexible without harming the other party.
Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Habib Nasrullah from the group one. This time, I will impression a region application. It's a region application is namely Muslim Pro. Muslim Pro is the regular religious application made for users who are Muslim to know the prayer times of the Ajahn alarm and reading the Al-Quran in Asian Quran. Okay, so this the Muslim prayer what I say. Okay, nah, open the Muslim Pro. Nah, in Muslim Pro we have the all the feature. Feature is coming with the application. Musim Pro, we can upgrade the premium to give the another experience. Sorry, ads again. If you want to make the Musim Pro, you can subscriber or anything else. Okay. Nah, it's the premium, my premium. You can activate the premium what you want, but you have a money before you have the money. Okay, so we not the activation premium because I want to give you implement or ergonomic aspect in the application. This application, all right? Now back to topic. No, the Muslim Pro have the all the feature, and it's first reading a Quran, second tracking salat, third, third run a important mail, and last watching a Islamic video. No, another one we have the fourth feature as a coming for application. First feature is the region feature. Region feature have prior time, the Quran, tasbih, kiblat, player, khatam, mosque, daily worship, study, deeper, and memories. And second, community feature. Community feature have the X Aidin, call box, inspiration, greeting card, daily check-in, prayer request, and block. Third feature, usability feature have the tracker, calendar, jakat, shahadat, name, and halal. And last feature is the haji. Haji have the third feature is that first left Mecca, second Haji and Umroh, and Haji travel. It's an application we can show solar calendar. Now you tap this. You can show the all dates for time for solar. Nah, okay. Nah, if you want, asana. This is reminder you for the time for Ajahn Asar. It's time the 15, 12, 20 minute. Enough for the implementation application for me. Sorry for my language.
That's all from us presentation. Thank you for your all attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.